The new weather app on macOS Ventura is very much like the one you've got on your iPhone and your iPad, but there's tons of hidden data. So, in the weather app, you can click onto any of the elements to get much more in-depth detail about the weather situation based on that category. For example, if I click onto the map of precipitation, I can see a live animated radar of where the rain is coming from. I can also change the visibility of the layers on this map, so perhaps rather than precipitation, I might want the air quality or the temperature. Going back to the main weather homepage, you can click onto any of these boxes, and on each of those sections you're going to get a 24-hour chart showing how that value is going to change over the next 24 hours. And at the top you can cycle between the days of the week as well to see what weather's coming your way. There's loads to explore in the weather app, and it's great to have all this power on the Mac. If you want some more quick macOS tips that get straight to the point, please do subscribe down below.